So this is your air handler, and it'll usually be located in either your attic or a closet. And this is where you're going to do a lot of the maintenance that we talk about in these videos, as far as putting vinegar or bleach down your drain line or changing your filter. So a few things you might want to watch out for when you're up here doing your maintenance on your drain. If you ever see water in the bottom of this pan, that's usually an indication that your main drain line has clogged, and most likely your float switch is going to cut your unit off. So that'd be a good time to contact us, and we can come out and service your drain line and get your unit running properly again. Also, a good way to prevent your drain from clogging is pouring about half cup of bleach or vinegar down the primary drain line. Some other things to look out for: if you notice that you can feel cold air coming out of your unit into your attic, maybe the seal is broken, just give us a call and we can come out and seal your unit up, and you'll get better efficiency. So another thing, if you ever notice that, your flex duct is starting to come off and you can feel cold air, or you can see down into your ductwork, that's an indicator that we need to come out and reattach your ductwork. You're losing a lot of cold air, and that's just money wasted cooling your attic, which no one wants to do. Also, if you ever notice that your unit is starting to sweat and has condensation on the outside of the air handler, that's a sign that maybe we need to come out and take a look at your unit and just make sure that everything's running properly. Another thing you might notice in your attic, on the floorboards, there's droplets of water. And if your condensate line is not properly insulated, it'll drain water onto the floor, which could cause water damage. So feel free to give us a call and we can come out and re-insulate your drain line and help prevent that from happening. So this is the Remy Halo, and if you're having issues with allergies, or maybe you just want to have a cleaner house, that's an excellent add-on option. It just helps purify the air and reduce dust and allergens. If you ever notice water coming out of these pipes on the exterior of your house, these are your emergency drain line, and it's usually an indication that your primary drain line is clogged. And feel free to give us a call and we can come out and service your unit and get it running properly. So this is your condenser. If you ever notice that it's making a loud sound, or debris has clogged the outside vents, or maybe your fan isn't spinning but the compressor's running, that's a sign that your unit needs to be serviced. If you notice that your unit's dirty, you can take a water hose, and you don't want to use high pressure, and just gently rinse off the coils. This will help your unit shed heat. Debris will clog the filters and make it run less efficiently. For the members of the Care Club, one of the things we do is we come outside, we take a look at your condenser. If we notice that the coils are dirty from dust or maybe mowing the lawn, we'll rinse it off for you and you don't have to worry about it. A lot of the maintenance is covered by our Care Club membership. Care Club is amazing.